Hey guys, it's TheBlitzGaming25 here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get Bandicam for free on PC. So yeah, go to the first link in the description and take you to Bandicam.com download. So scroll down a little bit and you can see this simple download now. Press that. Wait for it and just wait for it. So this, as you can see here, the setup. Click save file and let it download. It's gonna exit me because I haven't downloaded it. So mine is saved on the desktop. So right here, this is a file that you have downloaded, the Bandicam setup. Double click run. Of course English. Click OK. Here, basically setup. Click next. Scroll down. I agree. I prefer not quick launch. It may ruin something in your PC. Not a program group. I missed up my thing. Next. Click for installation. Just click install. Install Bandicam. So I have already downloaded Bandicam. So let me just open it real quick.
And free to post with no worries. It's Facebook all you want. Now that's really wonderful. Only from Glow.
Wait for it. Is it? There it is. So this is your Bandicam for free. Mine is registered, but for guys who aren't registered, it says unregistered, which as you can see. Wait. On unregistered form, it takes 10 minutes for file and it has watermark. So unregistered, I have it. It's unlimited. I'll show you no watermark soon. I think it is the best recorder I've ever seen. And yeah guys, let's see some features. Here you can do like a video. Here hotkey. This way you can see your video, press on it like that and click play. That thing, you can click in this option. It is a DirectX OpenGL window. It records game. DirectX or OpenGL window, and you have a game called Minecraft. Here you have Minecraft. There's a thing like this. It shows the FPS thing, and just click F12. Just click F12 to record the video. See that I have it full version. You can record rectangle on the screen, and this is the output folder. It is where your video files are there. Output and stick record like that. Simplest way. And yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Leave a leave a like and subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. See you guys.